telling you, turn on your bell notifications and subscribe, because you do not, under no circumstances, want to miss that video. Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm back again to share with you all my updated artificial nail collection, okay, and I'm going to incorporate all these nails into that collection. I just got through filming my holiday gift inspiration guide featuring LA Colors Cosmetics, and I shared a bunch of holiday gift ideas where everything was less than $10 that would make fantastic stocking stuffers. So if you're a newbie passing through and you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload. So yeah, I just got through filming that video, so I'm going to incorporate these into the collection. But before I do, let me at least first show you what that collection is looking like. Okay, dolls, so here is my updated 2020 artificial nail collection. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. Yes, so these are all my artificial nails. This is how I choose to store them. And what I like to do is when I open, you know, the drawer, because I can't immediately see what design this is, I decided to take little tabs, and like right here, I put black, white stiletto. So I know these are the black and white stiletto. By the way, these are from Dollar Tree. This is the Dollar Tree section, okay? Again, another example, these are purple and black. So go like this, and those are those. So yeah, this is the artificial nail collection. Over here is my Kiss nail design, and in the back here are LA Colors, you know, Cosmetics nails. We have these Kiss, we have the Goldfinger collection, which looks like that right there. We have this collection still by Kiss. A lot of my nails come from Kiss. If you're an official Glam doll, you know I am obsessed with the Masterpiece collection, okay? Kiss Masterpiece, one of a kind. Luxe manicures, looks like this right here. These are by Ardell, you know, the ones who make the eyelashes. Hello, they make artificial nails. And these are some limited edition from their Halloween collection. So that's this one right here. And then down here, these are more artificial nails from my local Dollar Tree. So like I said, I put the little tabs. This lets me know what nail design is down here in case I'm looking for it. Black and white. Okay, what's over here? Oh, these are some pretty colors. Look at that right there. And last but not least, this is some nail supplies that I have. I have a few artificial nails over here. These are from Dollar Tree. These are like iridescent nails. These are from Five Below. Okay, Five Below. Love, 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 love. These are from LA Colors Cosmetics. Who don't need some donuts in their life? Okay, these are fun and festive. And then I went to the nautical approach. All right, these are for the summer. 27 nails in a pack. All right, for less than $10. I just wanted to show you all my current artificial nail collection. Okay, this is what it's looking like. This is how I'm storing them. So now let's get back to the video. So what did you dolls think? It's a pretty decent collection, you know. It's not too much and out of control or anything like that. And to some, looking at the collection would say, you know, oh my gosh, like that's a whole lot of money and a whole lot of artificial nails. Like, oh, that's too much. Doll, that's a whole lot of savings you're looking at. Come on now. If I went to my nail salon to get this kind of nail design on 10 of my fingers, do you know how much money I would pay for that one time manicure look with that kind of nail design? Okay, it don't even measure the amount of money that I done saved by investing into the artificial nail collection that you done seen. Now, as I've said throughout several of my nail videos, this is not to discredit the nail salons. No way, because it takes a lot of work in what they do. However, because artificial nails have been leveling up on their nail designs, I just don't want to allocate any more money into getting my nails done with artificial nails when I can buy them out the drugstores or wherever they sold for like $10 or less and come out with a fabulous hand look that looks like I went to the nail salon, like what I got right now. Okay, if I would have went to the nail salon and got this look, it wouldn't have cost me $6 that I paid for this set of nails. So anyway, when it comes to me traveling and stuff, because I swap out my artificial nails all the time. I do it maybe 2-3 times a week. So I don't use nail glue. I don't use nail glue to apply my nails. I use adhesive glue tabs, which look a little something like, I'm back. The adhesive glue tabs look like this right here. These are the adhesive glue tabs. When I apply these with the adhesive glue tabs, the nails will typically last about 1 to 2 days, which is enough time for me. I still can braid hair, wash dishes, or you know, whatever normal activities, go food shopping, reach for things, scratch my head, whatever I can still do with my hands by using the adhesive glue tabs. But the glue tabs are only for temporary use, okay? And the reason why I like the glue tabs is because I swap out my nail designs on a semi-daily basis. I like for my nails to match my mood, my hair, my outfit, my venue of choice that I'm going to, or just whatever time of day. So I'm constantly swapping out my nails, and I don't have the time to commit by using the nail glue to literally glue my nails on, unless I come across a set that I really like and I really want to wear for like 10 days or so. But then again, I know me, I'm not gonna last 10 days on a single nail design. But if I was, that's when I would use artificial nail glue. Other than that, I'm using the adhesive glue tabs. So also, when it comes to me traveling and whatnot, if I'm traveling or going anywhere in particular and I need to swap my nails out, I use these dividers that sold on Amazon, which I will link them down below. They can fit all your artificial nails in there, and then you can put them in your traveling bag and you can travel with them, and then look, you salon ready. Okay, it only takes me about 5 minutes to do my nails because I'm just using the glue tabs and gluing them on. I already have a dedicated playlist down below sharing with you all how I apply my artificial nails that I buy, and the previous updated artificial nail collection before this one. So yeah. And when I'm doing a long-term travel, like if I'm, because you know, my husband and I, we are between Atlanta and New York all the time, and when we go, we stay for quite a while. So I have a bigger one that I carry with me just to make sure that no matter the outfit, no matter the hair, no matter the makeup look, my nails are going to be locked, stopped, and ready. And again, these are sold right on Amazon, which I will link below. But these are the ones that I be using for as travel or for my artificial nail storage anyway. And I ordered some more. I already got more that I need to put some more artificial nails in, so that when I'm ready, I can go ahead and just pick through them and create my own custom, one-of-a-kind, salon looking designer manicure hand look. Because another thing I like to do, which I'm gonna show you, give me just a second. So another thing I like to do is I be mixing my artificial nails together. I would take like these 2 packs right here and mix them together. They're both the same length, they both the same shape, so why not take maybe 2 from here, 5 from here, 4 from here, 7 from here. I don't know, I just need 10 nails, right? Mix these 2 together and I will get my very own custom, one-of-a-kind, designer looking, salon finish, manicured hand look without that salon finish price, okay? Because this pack of nail is like, what, less than $10 or $10, and if I mix them 2 together, I'm saving a ton of money by doing so. So yeah, speaking of that, these are what these are looking like. Give them LA Colors Cosmetics. These was part of the holiday gift inspiration guide. They will make fantastic stocking stuffers. Here are another two design right here. Again, LA Colors Cosmetics. These are sold in Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aide, wherever LA Colors Cosmetics is sold, and it's on their website. I'm just saying, get up to it. So that's what this design is looking like. And the last two I have to share with you for the Lavish Nails collection are these right here. Okay, these two right here. Aren't these so gorgeous? And you're getting the faux diamonds already on them. What more can you ask for $10 or less? What more can you ask for? You're getting nail glue with this too. Okay, look at this. 26 nails in a pack. You're going to get to do your hands not once but twice for $10. Come on. And like I said, I would take these two packs and mix them together, or I will wear them individually. It don't matter. What matters is how much money I'm saving by doing so. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So on that note, dolls, as I just said, that was my updated nail collection that many of my official GLAM dolls have been asking to see, and this is my end of the year collection. Okay, so now I need to incorporate, reorganize, and totally restructure that collection because I have some new nails to add into that collection, and I have one more artificial nail haul that I have to share with you all that I got from my local beauty supply store. Yeah, so you don't want to miss that one. I keep telling you, turn on your bell notifications and subscribe because you do not, under no circumstances, want to miss that video. Seriously, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Anything relevant, I will link down in the description box below. And I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.